Part 2 of connecting your claims to scholarly context. In 20 minutes, link what you say to what they say. 1. Contextualize your claims by mentioning related quotes. A. Choose detailed, specific, and relevant quotes that will help explain theoretical concepts, keywords, or ideas from the secondary sources. 2. Choose quotes that apply to the claim or critique and to the primary sources. A. If you will unpack the semiological process of an advertisement by describing the link between symbols and meaning, choose a quote about signifier and signified. Or B. If you will critique the ambiguous or ironic use of symbolism or diction in the ad, then choose a quote about intentional or contextual meaning, or about a specific appeal or fallacy that you will critique. 3. Try to find 2 quotes. A. One quote is enough, but a more advanced argument will show how 2 different authors think about the same topic, how one author extends the other's ideas, or how they differ regarding a specific point.